Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering off and unplugging the laptop to avoid short circuits. Once done, remove any external battery and set the machine on a flat, stable surface. You need a 70% isopropyl mix, a clean microfiber cloth, and a cotton swab, so gather them now. Make sure to test the cleaner on a small, hidden patch of the cover to confirm paint or coating won't react. This quick test prevents damage and lets you proceed confidently with the rest of the clean. You'll work methodically. Dampen the microfiber, no dripping, so the cloth is about 0. 5 damp and safe for electronics. Then, using gentle circular strokes, wipe the cover from the center outward to lift oils without spreading grime. This technique moves residue away from sensitive seams. Make sure to keep liquid off ports and hinges by angling the cloth and using the dry edge to push moisture away. For textured surfaces and seams, use a lightly dampened cotton swab. You finish by buffing the surface dry with a clean microfiber, applying light, consistent pressure to remove streaks and restore an even sheen. Once done, inspect the cover at an angle in bright light to catch any lingering fingerprints or smudges and repeat spot cleaning only where required. Make sure the cover is completely dry before reconnecting power or batteries. If residue persists, use a cotton swab with a touch of isopropyl. Avoid harsh solvents that can strip coatings or paint and test first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.